Hey guys, Random here, and today we're going to be checking out a switch by Gateron and Swagkeys, the deeping switch. Now this switch comes in two variants, a 4mm travel and a 3.7mm travel variant. The switch variant I'm using today is the 3.7mm version. The switch specs are as follows. It's factory lubed, it's a linear type switch, top housing material is nylon, stem material is palm, bottom housing material is nylon, spring weight is 58 grams, length of the spring is 18 millimeters, actuation point's 2 millimeters, has a built-in film to reduce stem wobble, which I think is pretty cool. Now I've seen a lot of other folks say that the switch is smooth and perfect right out of the box, and I would have to agree. The factory lube job is incredible, and there is zero noticeable spring ping or scratch to be heard while typing. But don't take my word for it, because today I have taken the time to do 4 different sound tests with these switches. I wanted to really let you get as much info out of these sound tests as possible, so I used 2 plates, an alu plate and a polycarbonate plate. These are probably the 2 most popular plate choices amongst most keyboard builds, in my opinion. The board I'm using today is my Demium 65. It is Ordinary Labs' first keyboard release, and it was really awesome to use for this process due to the magnetic system that keeps the top and bottom case together. Just made it a really hassle-free process, because I had to go through and pull the switch, put the switch in, pull foams, put foams in, switch plates, etc, etc. So without further ado, let's hear some sound tests and then come back. Now personally, I love these switches. They are easily my favorite switch right now. The sound signature is deep and creamy and really benefits from having some foam to further deepen the sound while not letting the foam overtake the sound of the switch, which is awesome. The switch is a little bit on the higher side compared to something like HMX's recent offerings. At 75 cents a switch, they are definitely pricey, but I think that is warranted with how great they sound and how versatile the switch could be depending on how much you wanted to tinker with your configuration. In closing, I would absolutely recommend these switches to anybody who loves that deep and creamy sound and doesn't like having to do a ton of work. Random signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.